Hey guys, welcome to Sectimony. Today we are unboxing the best and probably most expensive, second most expensive thing I reviewed on my channel. This is the DS418 NAS from Synology. Basically, all your computers or your phone can access it. And there are tons of apps, so it's not only limited to storing your files. You can have it run your cameras, you can have it run a website, or your own custom email. It is super cool, so let's get started. We're going to install the most boring of all the products, the first hard drive. So, I also bought these from Newegg. It's the cheapest prices I could find on these hard drives. I brought everything from Newegg. I thought they're cheapest, and they are. So, whoa, this is tightly packed. Okay. So these come in these special anti-static bags. Oh my god, that metal's really hot. I'm just gonna leave that here for now. Just a couple more to go. These hard drives are 4 terabyte drives. I bought 3 of them to put in this NAS. And, so let's see. Done, second hard drive down. These are Seagate NASs. I forgot to get Iron Wolf hard drives, but they should be fine. These are the Seagate Barracuda Compute hard drives. So they're just the main hard drives. Which, I mean, I've seen people use WD Blue drives, which are their mainstreams, and they all work, so that's good. Okay, 3 hard drives done. I'm gonna double check my camera angle. I cannot miss this. Okay, it is actually perfect this time. So, boom, this is open. Open. Oh my god, goosebumps, literal goosebumps. Oh my god, so many things are sliding out. Okay, what's this? Interesting. Power cable, noise. Ethernet cable, and the power brick that goes to that power cable. Of course, we also have another Ethernet cable and hard drive unlockers. These screws are only used if you're installing 2.5-inch hard drives, but these are all 3.5-inch. Quick installation guide. We won't be needing this, so I'll move this over to the side. Okay, empty box. Too busy here. You do not lose these, or you can just leave the hard drive bays unlocked like a normal person would. I have literal chills.
Oh, chills, literal chills.
Right now. Okay. Ooh, that wasn't good. Well, there weren't any hard drives in it, so we're good. Okay. Oh my god, goosebumps, goosebumps. Oh my god, it's amazing. Okay, so let's go to installing these hard drives. This just slots out. These bags are kind of hard to open. They're not the reusable type. There you go, I got it out. Make sure you don't do any sudden movements with these hard drives. They're very sensitive. They're literally a CD, a big CD. Except instead of using like a laser, it uses magnetic bumps and stuff. So this unclips. This unclips. No, home phone. Why did I silence you? Okay. This slides in. Call from. Okay, this slides in. Then you put in this. The hard drive just slides in, and then you put in these. This locks them in. You do need to put screws as only if you have a mini hard drive, a 2.5-inch one, or a SATA SSD. But I would get a better NAS if you had a SATA SSD, one with 10 gigabit capabilities. And we just have to repeat this 2 more times. But this is all toolless, which is great. I haven't done this a lot, so it's kind of new to me. I watched a ton of YouTube videos though. Those are nice. Very instructive. There's a YouTube channel that only does NASs. Their budget has to be super high because NASs cost a lot. Altogether, this costed $650, around there. Now the last thing we need to do is lock up these hard drives. Okay, boom, now no one can get at them. Perfect. That is all we have to do for now. I'll see you in part 2, setting up Disk Station Manager. Bye-bye.